Hello Pulaski Elementary School. We're going to be looking at ways to add numbers together, and we're going to be looking at a couple different tools that you may not have thought about. So at your house, I'm sure you have some dominoes, and if you look inside a board game, I'm sure you would also find some dice. Today we're going to use these to add the numbers 3 and 5 together. So let's start with the dominoes. If I look at this problem, 3 plus 5, I need to make sure that I find in my dominoes box a domino that matches this. So I need to make sure it matches. 1, 2, 3. Does 3 match this addend? Yes, they're both 3. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does 5 match this addend? Yes. So this is equal to 3 plus 5, just like our equation states. So now the next step is to count each individual dot. That will give us our sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by counting 3 plus 5, I find that the answer, or the sum, is equal to 8. But I can also do the same thing using dice. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 3 plus 5. Now I'm going to count them all together to find the sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my answer. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And I used a domino and some dice to figure it out. Thanks for watching.